Hello, young inventors. Today we're going to meet a brilliant mind who helped farmers and workers all over America. His name was William Chester Ruth. He was an African-American inventor who created machines that made hard jobs easier, faster, and smarter. And guess what? He started working with his dad at just 12 years old. Let's journey back in time and discover how William Chester Ruth changed farms, factories, and our future. William Chester Ruth was born in 1882 in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. Back then, life was very different. There were no computers or cars like today. Many people lived on farms and worked hard every single day. William's dad was a formerly enslaved person who had become a minister and blacksmith. A blacksmith is someone who uses fire and hammers to shape metal into tools, horseshoes, or parts for machines. William learned these skills by helping his father in the shop. He learned to fix things, build things, and understand how machines worked. He also saw how hard farmers worked to plant and harvest crops by hand. That made William think, there has to be a better way. When William grew up, he decided to open his own blacksmith shop in the town of Gap, Pennsylvania. People came from all over to have their equipment fixed. William was very good with machines, but he also listened carefully to people's problems. One of the biggest problems farmers faced was shelling corn. That means removing the kernels from the cob. It was slow and painful to do by hand. William watched, thought, and designed a solution. In 1924, he invented the Ruth Corn Sheller. It used belts and rotating wheels to quickly remove corn from the cob. It was fast, safe, and saved farmers hours of work. William got a patent for this machine. That means no one else could copy his idea without permission. It was a huge deal for an African-American man at that time. But William did not stop there. He kept inventing ways to make work easier for farmers and workers. His next big idea came from watching workers lift heavy buckets and boxes onto wagons. It was backbreaking work. So William created a conveyor system. A conveyor is like a moving belt that carries things from one place to another. You've probably seen them at grocery stores or airports. William's conveyors were powered by engines and pulleys. They could carry milk cans, grain, hay, and even boxes from trucks to barns. He made machines that helped clean, sort, and move farm goods. His machines helped make farming more productive, and that helped feed more people. William's inventions were not just for farms. They helped factories too. During World War II, American factories needed machines that could keep up with the demand for supplies. William designed conveyor systems to help factories work faster and more safely. His machines were strong, simple, and easy to use. They became popular in factories that made military parts, milk can goods, and more. William's conveyor belts changed how work got done not just on farms, but across many industries. William Chester Ruth invented more than 50 machines in his lifetime. That's right, more than 50. He was not rich. He did not go to college. But he used his hands, heart, and head to solve real-world problems. People came to respect him not just as an inventor, but as a community leader. He taught Sunday school, helped build churches, and supported young people who wanted to learn. He passed away in 1971, but his machines are still remembered. Some of them are even in museums today. So what can we learn from African-American inventor? We learn that great ideas can come from anyone, no matter where they start in life. We learn that listening to others can help us solve big problems. And we learn that hard work and kindness make a powerful pair. The next time you see a machine that makes life easier, think about the inventors who dreamed it up. And maybe, just maybe, one day that inventor could be you. Thanks for joining us, and keep inventing. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.